This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Tyler.letner. This is a unique property with lots of potential. Property is 2 lots together. Old home in need of complete repair/removal. Property includes the house, mobile home, and storage building with potential as additional living space or guest home. Public utilities on site, including public sewer at road with water and electricity ran to each building. Investors to the front on this one. Rent the trailer while renovating the house and have the potential for 2 rentals on the same property, or remove it all and build new. Property is sold as is and cash only. For more information, review the details below or contact Tyler.letner at 865-584-4000.